Hi, my name is Lillian with Safe Teen Schools. If you're not familiar with us, we're an organization that exposes child abuse in the troubled teen industry. In this video blog, we will be talking about the long-term effects of social isolation commonly used as punishment in troubled teen boarding schools. There are literally hundreds of studies that have been done on the long-term effects of social isolation punishment. The major concerns we have is the effect that this has on the still developing brain. Social isolation in youth may wreak havoc on the brain by disrupting a protein crucial to the development of the nervous system supporting cells. Social psychologist Hans Tach coined the phrase isolation panic to describe the symptoms he observed in people he interviewed, including panic, rage, a sense of total loss of control, emotional breakdown, regressive behavior, and self-mutilation. We cannot find one good reason to use social isolation as punishment in these facilities. The practice is cruel and barbaric. Our question is, with the knowledge we now have, why is this still a part of everyday life for some children being held at these facilities? This seems to be very clear proof that the long-term well-being of these children is not a concern of the owners of these schools. This is a cheap, quick way for staff to no longer have to deal with a child who is acting out. These facilities claim to help and treat anger, depression, rage, and self-mutilation and other common problems of troubled youth, yet they still use the form of punishment that clearly creates or makes these issues worse. We know for a fact that these facilities, such as Diamond Ranch Academy, Youth Foundation Success Academy, formerly known as Cross Creek Manor, Midwest Academy, and Red Cliff Ascents, plus many, many more, holds children in isolation for as long as 30 days or more. The social isolation used in these facilities varies from total and complete isolation with little to no human contact for long periods of time, to not being able to talk to peers, look at anyone, or even acknowledge anyone around them. Another study shows that research in rhesus monkeys and young humans have shown that social isolation during childhood has an array of nasty and lifelong effects, from cognitive and social problems in neglected children to work and memory troubles in isolated monkeys. These children and monkeys also show abnormalities in the white matter of the brain. Human Rights Watch and the ACLU found that isolation causes anguish, provokes serious mental and physical health problems, and works against rehabilitation in teenagers. A member of the group Human Rights Watch said that normal human interaction is essential to the healthy development and rehabilitation of young people, and to cut that off helps nobody. How long are we going to let this torture continue? It is a scientific fact that the human brain does not stop developing until we're well into our 20s. Administrative staff at some of these facilities will argue that not every child is punished in this way. Well, what about the ones that are? Do we just ignore the lifelong damage and mental illness that we are creating? For more information on the facilities named or on us, please follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and visit us at safeteenschools.org. Thank you.